Yo, what's up guys? It's G and I'm back with another video. Yo guys, today's video we'll be talking about OTM and what all we gonna be doing. But yeah, OTM is right around the corner, man. October 16th, save the date. We're gonna be out there. We're gonna be getting all this content and stuff, whatever we could get. Right now I'm heading to my brother-in-law's so he can help me record this vlog because I hate recording myself. I feel like I look crazy and shit. But yeah, right now we're gonna talk about OTM, what's gonna happen, what's gonna go down, or whatever. Be right with you. And another thing, guys, just to add to the channel, we're gonna be having this little project truck we're gonna be working on. Paint's fucked up, rims, interiors are alright. Interiors taken care of, kind of. Right now I'm in the project truck. Let me turn that down. Copyright. Already got strike. Right now I'm in the truck, the project truck we're gonna be working on. It's alright, man. The conditions on it are not that bad. It's really just like cosmetic stuff, but it'll get done. We want to try and get it ready for next year. We're gonna be taking it to shows and stuff, and it's gonna be a good little project, you know, to work on and stuff. But I'm saying the radio, throwing a little new radio, get a sound system on there for sure, because that's one of the things I always do. I always throw sound systems into the cars. But yeah, we got lots of plans for this project right here. Right now I'm driving on my way to go pick up my little sister from school. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. But for sure, we're gonna be at OTM this weekend. We're gonna be out there with Static, Freddy, and all them. Man, I started watching them and they motivated me, man, to fucking be doing all this YouTube shit. And I'm gonna get up there, man. I'm gonna get up there. Y'all just keep on supporting, show support. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we're gonna be doing giveaways and stuff. Y'all comment down below what y'all think we should give away or whatever. And we'll make it happen. We'll make it happen. Yeah. So what'd you say?
1967 Ford Galley.
Ford Galley. Nice. Yeah. Badass little project. Just met some guys working on. Nice. Yeah. Yes sir, we back for Herman, back in the blogs, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go have a little sesh, as always. Hey, start working, getting these fucking videos out and shit, cause man, I've been kind of slacking a little bit. Yeah. Today's the next day. Yesterday I couldn't really get too many shots of the little project truck we got going on because it started raining and shit. Once I get back, I'm gonna be showing y'all full interior and the whole outside and shit. The plans that we got for all the stuff that's wrong with it. It started raining and shit, so I couldn't really record. This is a 2006 GMC Yukon that we're gonna be working on for the channel. Bring y'all some content. We're gonna be doing the paint on it because the paint is like rusty and stuff. I fucked up and I sprayed the fire extinguisher and shit at it, and it fucked up the whole paint on the whole truck. Like literally, it's all fucked up all the way around. So we're gonna get it painted for sure. We're gonna need some wheels. Got some bullshit wheels. We're gonna have to get the headlights replaced, all 4 of them. Got a bunch of stuff we gotta do to it. We gotta fix this window for sure. The motor and shit's fucked up. What else? The interior is alright. I mean, it's not good, but it's not that bad either. We're gonna be getting some new headliner to get rid of that hole, cause I don't like that shit. Got a radio. I want to get a custom center console for it, the one that comes with the subwoofer in the back, and then still add a system to the trunk. Gotta fix these locks and shit, they're all loose. Probably get some new panels or something, because these are a little worn out. And it does have the Bose sound system on it already, factory. And it sounds nice and stuff, but we're still going to be throwing some DS18s in there for sure. It also has a 5.3 Vortec V8 engine. I mean, it has no mechanical issues. It runs like a champ. It even turns on like nothing and stuff. Check it out. See, no noises, no nothing. Truck runs pretty good. No problems at all. So yeah guys, that's really it for this video. I just wanted to show you a little bit about the new project that we got coming up, and wanted to talk to you about OTM and stuff. I'll see you on Saturday. I'm gonna be out there vlogging and stuff. It sucks though that this time we ain't gonna have no truck to be swinging out there in the burnout pit or anything, but next year we coming for y'all. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.